Let's see. Let's move on to our next vocabulary word here, which is to eye something. Now, again, this is a phrase that I have taken from chapter 7 of David Copperfield, which I read the other day, and we talked about it already a little bit, but now we're going to practice using this verb to eye something in a sentence to see how it's different from look. Because to eye something is like watching something or looking at something, but there's a difference. You eye something because you're waiting to see what will happen, or you have some goal in mind. So if you are eyeing a person, you might be watching that person because you think they're going to do something or act in a certain way. Let's see how we can use this in a sentence. To eye something is to watch something for a purpose or because you have a goal. Here's a situation. Every time Mary passes a store, she sees a shirt in the window that she really likes. So she always stops and she notices it in the window and she looks at it and she thinks about it. Like, maybe I should buy that. Maybe I should buy that shirt. In this case, you could say she's eyeing the shirt because she's looking at it, thinking about, oh, maybe that's the right shirt for me. Maybe I should buy that shirt. She has a goal in mind when we say she eyes the shirt. Let's make a when question with she eyes the shirt. When does she? When does she eye the shirt? When does she eye the shirt? When does she look at it and think about doing something with it? And the answer is whenever she passes the store. She eyes the shirt whenever she passes the store. She stops and she looks at it and she thinks, maybe I'll buy that. She has a goal in mind. She's looking at it for a reason. Let's try another example. A suspicious-looking man enters a store. The store owner is worried that maybe the man will steal something. Maybe he will take something. So the store owner watches the man very carefully as he walks around the store. Okay, we can say the store owner eyes the man because he's looking at him, waiting to see what he does. He's not just watching him, he's looking at him because he thinks he's going to do something. So he's eyeing the man. He's eyeing the suspicious man. So let's make this sentence. The store owner eyed the suspicious man. The store owner eyed the suspicious man. Okay, that means he was watching him, waiting for him to do something, thinking he was going to do something. Now let's make a when question with that sentence. The owner eyed the suspicious man. When did the owner eye? When did the owner eye the suspicious man? And here's the answer. When he entered the store. I'm not very creative with this. I don't know what to say. So we'll say when he entered the store. The store owner eyed the suspicious man when he entered the store. He watched him, waiting for him to do something. He thought he was going to do something. He eyed the suspicious man. All right, let's move on to our next